Hey adventurers! Welcome back to iTravelHopper, your one-stop shop for exploring the world's most incredible destinations. Today we're lacing up our boots and hitting the trails, embarking on a visual journey to showcase breathtaking hikes around the world. So pack your virtual backpack, grab your metaphorical walking stick because this is no ordinary stroll in the park. Our journey will be narrated by a voice as soothing and elegant as the landscapes themselves, a true transatlantic delight. Get ready to be inspired. The Inca Trail, a path echoing with whispers of an ancient civilization, winds its way through the Peruvian Andes towards the legendary Machu Picchu. Every step is a dance with history, every breath a communion with the spirit of the mountains. Feel the energy of the Inca Empire as you traverse sun-drenched valleys and cloud forests, finally reaching the Sun Gate, where the lost city unfolds in all its majesty. Prepare to be dwarfed by the granite towers of Torres del Paine, a landscape sculpted by ice and wind over millennia. This Patagonian circuit will take you through a tapestry of turquoise lakes, emerald valleys, and glaciers that glitter under the southern sun. Keep your eyes peeled for guanacos, pumas, and condors, for this is a land where nature reigns supreme. The Tour du Mont Blanc is not just a hike, it's a cultural pilgrimage. This epic trail encircles the majestic Mont Blanc, traversing 3 countries, each with its unique charm. From the charming villages of France to the hearty cuisine of Italy and the precise beauty of Switzerland, you'll encounter a kaleidoscope of languages, cultures, and landscapes. The Kalalau Trail on Kauai's Napali coast is a symphony of ocean and earth. Rugged cliffs plunge into the turquoise Pacific, while hidden waterfalls tumble down verdant valleys. This challenging trail leads you to secluded beaches where you can feel the raw power of nature and the tranquility of paradise. Journey to the spiritual heart of Bhutan on the Tiger's Nest Trail. This climb leads to the sacred Taksang Monastery, clinging precariously to a cliff face. The air hums with prayer flags, and every step is infused with a sense of devotion. The Haute Route is a pilgrimage for mountain lovers, linking iconic alpine resorts like Chamonix and Zermatt. This high-altitude trek offers unparalleled views of legendary peaks, including Mont Blanc, the Matterhorn, and the Eiger. Every turn reveals a postcard-worthy panorama, a testament to the power and beauty of the Alps. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty of Patagonia on the Fitzroy Trek. This challenging trail takes you through a landscape of stark contrasts, from the arid plains to the jagged peaks of the Fitzroy Massif. Each day offers a new challenge and a new reward, culminating in breathtaking views of the iconic Mount Fitzroy. Embark on a journey of a lifetime on the Annapurna Circuit, a trek that takes you around the Annapurna Massif, one of the world's highest mountain ranges. You'll pass through diverse ecosystems, from lush rhododendron forests to high-altitude deserts. The cultural richness of the villages you encounter will leave a lasting impression. Discover the wild heart of Tasmania on the Overland Track, a journey through the Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park. This iconic trail immerses you in ancient rainforests, alpine meadows, and glacial lakes. Every step is a lesson in the power of nature and the resilience of life. The West Coast Trail is not for the faint of heart. This rugged coastal path on Vancouver Island challenges you with mud, ladders, and cable cars, but the rewards are worth every drop of sweat. Encounter black bears and whales, navigate pristine beaches and ancient forests, and experience the raw power of the Pacific Ocean. And there you have it, adventurers, 10 epic hikes that will test your limits and reward you with unforgettable experiences. Remember, the world is a book, and those who don't travel only read one page. So get out there, explore, and discover the incredible beauty of our planet. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss a video. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for great deals on travel. Your support helps us continue to bring you incredible adventures from around the world. Until next time, stay wild.